Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. How is going your studies? I hope you all are studying well and properly. Glad to meet you once again through this online class. Let's get back to our maths class. The previous class we have studied some fill in the blanks. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Shall I ask question? Okay. The smallest 4-digit number is dash. The smallest 4-digit number is dash. What will come? 1000. Okay. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The greatest 4-digit number is dash. The greatest 4-digit number is dash. What will come? The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Okay. I hope you have studied. Okay. Now all of you take your maths book. Take book page number 5. All of you take your maths book with your stationery things. That means pencil, razor, sharpener. Take it all. Take your maths book. Book page number 5. Lesson 1. Okay, all of you take. This is your maths book. Yes, ma'am? Take book page number 5. Lesson 1. Okay. So here lesson 1 numbers. Book page number 5. All of you, have you taken, children? Okay, I hope you have taken your maths book. All of you see the book. Don't see here and there. Don't play. I am watching you. Okay. Don't roaming. Sit one place and listen to me. Okay. See the first one. See the first one. Below are given the expanded forms of a few numbers. Write the digits under the approximate places and also write the numbers so formed. All of you keep your finger on the letters and read with me. Okay? Don't simply sit. Keep your finger on the words and read with me. Below are given the expanded forms of a few numbers. Write the digits under the appropriate places and also write the numbers so formed. See the first one, already they are given the expanded form. Yes or no, ma? Already they are given the expanded form. Now we have to write the numbers. The given numbers are in which place? Okay, which number is in 100 place, thousands place, tens place and ones place. Then we have to write the number. Okay, you have to write the short form for the given number. They are given the expanded form. Now we have to make the short form. Do you understand, children? Okay, see the first one. See the first one. 7 hundreds plus 8 ones. Yes or no, ma? 7 hundreds plus 8 ones. See, they are given the first column for TH. TH means 1000. Okay, 1000 start from TH. Yes or no, ma? Yes, okay. First column is 1000. Then the second column is 100. H means hundreds. See the next one, T. T means tens. Okay. The next one, last remaining only one, ones. And another one box, number. Now we have to see the first one, A. 7 hundreds plus 8 ones. There is any 1000 value? There is any 1000 value? No. Okay, so we have to write 0 for the thousands place. See the first one, thousand, hundred, tens and ones. Here on box is the number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Yes, ma'am? The first one, 700s plus 8 ones. Yes or no? Yes. There is any thousand value? No. So you have to write 0 for the thousands place. Then see the 100 place. How many 100 is there? How many 100 is there? 700. So you have to write the 100 place for 7. There is any tens value? No. 0. Then ones. How many ones is there? 8 ones. Yes or no? Yes. So you have to write here 8 ones. Now you take and write the number here. 708. 708. This is how many digit number? This is how many digit number? 3 digit number. 3 digit number starts from 100. So 708. Then see the next one. B. 800s. 800s. How many 100 is there? 800. Remaining, they are given any values? No. Yes, ma'am? They are given hundreds value only. So we have to use 100. How many 100? 800. So you write here 800. Okay. Then see the next one. 4000 plus 300 plus 20. 4,000 plus 300 plus 20. How many thousands here? 4,000. Then how many 100? Then how many 100? 300. How many tens? 2 tens and 1 place 0. Okay. What is this number? 4,320. 4,320. Okay, Mama? See the next one. See the next one. 9,000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 6. How many thousands here? 9,000. So, the thousands place you should write 9. Then see the hundreds place value. Okay, how many 100 is there? 400. How many 100? 400. Then see the tens place. Then we have to see the tens place. How many tens is there? 7 tens and 6 ones. 9,476. What is this number, ma'am? This is 4 digit number. 4 digit number starts from 1000. 9,476. Then see the last one. 2,000s plus 300s plus 2 tens plus 6 ones. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Okay. First, we have to fill the thousands place. How many thousand is there? How many thousand is there? 2,000. So, we have to write 2 in thousands place. Then 100. How many hundreds? 300s. Then how many tens? 2 tens. The last one, how many ones is there? 6 ones. Okay, Mama? 2,326. 2,326. 2,326. 2,326. All of you have written? All of you listen and write with me, okay? See the second one. Write the short forms of the expanded forms given below. Also write the number names of the short forms. They are given expanded form. Now we have to write the short form and number name. Okay, Mama? Are you listening? Are you listening, children? Okay, see the first one. 200 plus 60 plus 5. 200 plus 60 plus 5. Short form 265. Yes, Mama? Okay, the first one 265. Short forms and number names. SHORT. Short. FORN. Short form. Then number name. NUMBER. Number. NAME. Name. Number name. Okay. It's the first one 200 plus 60 plus 5. The short form 265. The short form is 265. Okay, Mama? How do you write the words? Say the spelling for 200. TWO2 HUNDRED 100 265 SIXTY 60 FIVE 5 65 265. See the second one 400 plus 80 plus 4. 400 plus 80 plus 4. Then you write here 484. Then you write here 484. Okay. Now we have to write the spelling. FOUR 4HUNDRED 100 400 EIGHTY 80 FOUR 484. Okay, Mama? What is this number? This is 3-digit number. 1s, 10s and 100. 484. This is 484 spelling. Okay. Then see the third one. 9000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 1. 9000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 1. 9951. 9951. Now we have to write the spelling for 9951. NINE 9 THOUSAND 9000 NINE 9 HUNDRED 100 9951 FIFTY 50 ONE 51. Okay, Mama? 9951. See the next one. 1000 plus 6 ones. 1000 plus 6 1. Now we have to write 1006. 1006. Write the spelling for 1006. ONE THOUSAND 1000 SIX 1006. Then see the next one. 2000 plus 600 plus 6 ones. 2600 plus 6 ones. 2600 plus 6 ones. How do you write this one? TWO2, THOUSAND, 2000, SIF 6, HUNDRED 100, 2606, 2606. See the board and write fast, ma. All of you have written, ma? Okay, see the third one. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digits in the following numbers. Write the face value and the place value of the underlined digits in the following numbers. They are given the numbers. We have to write face value and place value. See the first one, face value. We have to write the face value. FACE, face, VALUE, value, face value. And another one is place value. PALACE, place, VALUE, value, face value and place value. Okay, mama. See the first one, 2634. Which number is underlined? 6. The face value of 6 is 6. Then the place value of 6 in 2634 is 600. 6 is in which place? 100 place. So we have to write 600. Then see the next one. B. 3956. 3956. The underlined digit number is 3. The underlined digit number is 3. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Okay. The face value of 3 is 3. The face value of 3 is 3. Then the place value of 3 is 3956 is 3000. You have to write 3000. Okay, mama? Then see the third one, 5869. The third one, all of you see your book. 5869. Yes, ma? Which number is underlined? 6. Okay. So you have to write 6. The face value of 6 is 6. 6 is in which place? Tens place. So we have to write 10 6 are 60. 10 6 are 60. Okay. Then see the next one. 7521. The face value of 7 is 7. 7 is in thousands place. The place value of 7 is 7000. Then see the next one. 5. The face value is 5 and the place value also 5. 1 5 is 5. All of you have written, children? Okay. Now take the next page, book page number 6. All of you take the next page, take book page number 6. Fill in the blanks. The smallest 4-digit number in figures is, the smallest 4-digit number in figures is, what will come? The smallest 4-digit number? The smallest 4-digit number? 1000. Yes or no, ma? Already you are studying this one, yes? The fourth one, A answer is 1000. Then see the second one, B. The greatest 4-digit number in words is. The greatest 4-digit number in words is 9000. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D 9000. N-I-N-E 9. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. N-I-N-E 9 99. 9999. See the third one. In numbers 934, the place value and the face value of 3 is, they are given 2 dash, yes, dash and dash respectively. The first dash we have to write 30. Then the second dash 3. The first one 30 and the second one 3. Then see the fourth one. The number 756 has dash digits. 756. The number starts from hundreds, means it has how many digit number? 3 digit number. Okay. Then see the last one. The number 623 in figures is written as 623. 623. Okay, Mama? Then see the fifth one. Complete the following. See the fifth one. Complete the following. See the fifth one. Complete the following. A. 526 is 1 more than. 526 is 1 more than. What will come? 525. Okay. Fifth one, A answer 525. 525. 734 is 1 less than. 734 is 1 less than. 735. 735. Then 889 is 1 less than. 889 is 1 less than 890. 890. Then see the next one. 610 is 1 more than. 610 is 1 more than 609. 609. Okay, Mama? Then see the sixth question. What follows next? See the sixth one. What follows next? The A question, 260, 250, Then what will come? Next what will come up? 240. Okay. Decreasing by 10 steps. 260, then 250, then 240. The sixth one, A answer, 240. 240. Okay. Then see the next one. B, 418, 428. Then it is decreasing by 10 steps. So then you write 438. 438. 438. Then see the next one, C. See the C question. 445, 450. Then what will come? 445. Then 450. Come on. Then what will come? 455. 455. Then D. 700 plus 690. Okay, Mama? 700. Then 690. It is decreasing by 10 steps. It is decreasing by 10 steps. Okay. So we have to write. Then what will come? 700, 690. Then 680. Then 680. Okay, Mama? Then see the next one. Then see the next one. 1214. 1212. Then what will come? It decreasing by 2 steps. Is not? It decreasing by how many steps? 2 steps. Yes. 14. Then 12. Then what will come? 10. Okay. So you have to write 1210. Okay. Then what will come? 1210. Then see the next one. F. 2009, 2007. Then what will come? 2009. Then decreasing by 2 steps. Decreasing by 2 steps. Okay, Mama? 2009. Then 2007. Then decrease 2 steps means what will come? 2005. Okay. Then what will come? 2005. 2005. Okay. Then see the next one, G. 2340. 2345. It is increasing by 5 steps. It is increasing by 5 steps. Okay, Mama? 40, 45. Then what will come? 40, 40, 45. Then what will come? 50. Yes. So you have to write 2350. 2350. Then see the next one, 5600, 5700. It is increasing by hundreds. Yes. 5600. Then 5700 dash. Then what will come? 5800. 5800. Okay, Mama? All of you have written? Okay. Then see the seventh question. Then see the seventh question. In each set of the numbers given below, cross the greatest number and tick the smallest number. Also write whether the numbers are written in increasing or decreasing order. Increasing and decreasing order. Okay. First see the first one. 207, 212, 217, 222. Which is greater? Which is greater? 222. Yes. So you cut 222. Use your pencil to cross the number 222. Then 207 is the smallest number. Yes, ma? So we got to use your pencil to put one small tick for 207. It is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. So A1 you have to write increasing order. INCREASING, increasing. ORDER, order. Increasing order. Then see the second one. B, 321, 312, 231, 132. Is that number? Yes, okay. Which is greater? 321 is the greatest number. Yes. So we have to cut 321 and put the tick for 132. 320. We just cut 321 and put a single tick for 132. It is increasing order or decreasing order? Decreasing order. Okay, mama. Big number to small number. So we have to write decreasing order. What is the spelling for decreasing order? DECREASING. Decreasing. ORDER. Order. Decreasing order. Then see the next one. C. 843, 834, 438, 384. Which is greater? Which is greater, ma? 843. Yes. Which is greater? 843. So you cut 843. Just you cut 843 and put a tick for 384. And put one small tick for 384. It is increasing or decreasing? It is increasing or decreasing, ma? It is decreasing order. Yes, the number starts from 800 but ends 300. Yes, so you have to write decreasing order. Decreasing order. Decreasing order. So we have to write the C, decreasing order. DECREASING, decreasing. ORDER, order. Decreasing order. Then see the next one. D. 876, 785, 685, 567. Which is greater? You find and say the answer. Don't simply sit. Anybody is sleeping there? யாராவது தூங்குறியாங்க இந்த வாரம்? All of you listen. Don't sleep, okay? Write neatly. Don't play. Okay, see the D question. Now I want answer. You say the answer. I am waiting for your answer, children. All of you open your mouth and say the answer. The greatest number is 876. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So you just cross 876. Then the smallest number 567. The smallest number 567. You just put one tick for 567. It is increasing or decreasing order? It is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. Big number to small number. So you got to write decreasing. D-E-C-R-E-A-S-I-N-G. Decreasing. O-R-D-E-R. Order. Decreasing order. Then see the next one. E. 981, 918, 891, 819. It is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. Yes, ma. So, E, you should write decreasing order. D-E-C-R-E-A-S-I-N-G. Decreasing. O-R-D-E-R. Order. See the E question. Which is greater? Which is greater? 981. You just cross the number 981. Then put the tick for 819. 819. Then you put a tick for 819. It is increasing or decreasing order? It is decreasing order. So we got to write decreasing. D-E-C-R-E-A-S-I-N-G. Decreasing. O-R-D-E-R. Order. Decreasing order. Then see the F. 563. 531. Sorry. 563. 1531. 2546. 5091. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Okay. You cross the number 563. You just cross 563. Then you put one tick for 5091. Yes, sorry. Tick for 563. Okay, cut 5091. It is increasing or decreasing? It is increasing order or decreasing order, children? It is increasing order. Yes or no, ma? Yes. So you write F. Increasing order. I-N-C-R-E-A-S-I-N-G. Increasing. O-R-D-E-R. Order. Increasing order. Then see the next one. 8th question. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to. See the 8th question. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol. Less than, greater than or equal to. 8 and 9 is homework. Okay, question number 8 and question number 9 is today's homework. Already we have studied, yes? Greater than, less than, before, after and between numbers. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Okay. Now all of you mark your book. Book page number 6. Book page number 6. 8th and 9th question is today's homework. Book page number 6. 8 and 9 question is today's homework. Are you listening, children? Are you listening? Okay. Today's homework. Lesson 1. book page number, book page number 6, 8 question and 9. 8th and 9th question is today homework. Okay, Mama? See, lesson 1, book page number 6. Already we have completed first to 7 question. Yes or no, Ma? First to 7, now only we do. Yes? Yes or no? Yes, okay. 8 and 9 only today's homework. 8 is greater than, less than or equal to. Already we have studied that one. The 9th one is after, before, between. Already we have studied. Yes? What is after number? After means? What is the meaning for after? Are you listening? Can you hear my voice, children? What is after number? After means? What is the meaning for after? First of all, what is the meaning for after? After means pinnal. Okay, after means pinnal. Before means munnal. Before means munnal. Between means naduvil. Okay, Mama? Between means naduvil. After means want to write the backward of the number. You want to write the backward of the number. Before means in front of the given number. Before means in front of the given number. Okay, Mama? Between means you want to write between, center of the number. One center number is missed means we have to write the center of the number. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Yes or no? Yes, okay. Next one. We will see the next class. This first lesson